Hi everyone, Chris here from My Old House Fix, and just a follow-up to part 1, Range Hood Installation. The last episode we showed you, we were up in the kitchen and we showed you the cabinet install, we showed you the ductwork coming down to the remote blower. So I thought I'd follow up and just give you a shot down here in the basement. So the ductwork pops out of the floor like we talked about, goes up through that wall cavity upstairs, it pops down, comes over here to the blower assembly. And so this is the blower assembly we talked about. It's in its own box. This is why you save so much space up in your cabinets upstairs and why your cabinets are so much more usable, because all those upper cabinets can now be used because the blower is down here in the basement. So here's a shot of that. And so it runs down and around, exits out the back, and runs up through the rim joist and exits the house there. So still exiting on that exterior wall. You just don't get the noise, you don't get all the sound, and you put more of your equipment down here in the mechanical room, out of your way, and it really helps. Alright, just wanted to give you a follow-up and show you the part 2 and where the remote blower goes. Hope you enjoyed the information. Hope your kitchen remodel goes well. Catch us over on My Old House Fix on the Facebook page or www.myoldhousefix.com. Alright, see you guys.